In this video here now, we are going to be going through my choice of assessment on this topic of transition pieces. So we're going to be running through the question and the solution. So in front of us here now, we have the question. So the question states, water slides are common to all theme parks in warm climate countries. They can come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. The 3D graphic on the right shows a transition piece of a water slide which consists of two circular ducts and a transition piece between these ducts. The projections of the trumpet-shaped portion are given below. It contains a transition piece attached to a right cylinder. So then there's three parts to the question. There's A, B, and C. So part A is just going to be about transition pieces. Then question B is going to be on another section of the DCG syllabus. And then for part C, I decided, just to try and put my own little twist on the question. And this question will be based on other areas, or it'll be based on information that we know from other areas of our course and other areas of study. So, part A, complete the layout of one half of the development of the transition piece. Part B, show the path of a person on the slide who moves down in a cylindrical path from point R to S in a half clockwise revolution. Draw the elevation of the helix showing all construction lines. Part C, name a suitable material in which the slide could be made from and give a reason as to why you choose this material or why you chose this material. So we can see part A and part B will be drawn in on the space provided, and then question C will be drawn in on the right hand side there on the space provided as well. So moving on to the solution then. So this is the completed drawing in front of us. So the solution for part A is drawing all the construction lines on the given piece. So for this question, I tried to incorporate STEM and SMART goals. So this drawing will be given to students with scale. So it'll be given to scale to the students, and the students will not be given any dimensions. They're just going to draw what's given to them, which will save time. So looking at the solution here now, we can see that they found true lengths on the right hand side of the elevation, and then the development has been completed below. For part B, I mentioned how all construction lines must be shown, as it would be very easy for students just to draw a freehand curved line from R to S, where if they show off all construction lines, it shows that they know how to complete the question correctly and they know the key principles behind it. Then for part C, so name a suitable material in which the slide can be made from and give a reason as to why you chose this material. So here the student has put down name of appropriate material. They said fiber reinforced plastic. And reason for selection. This material has many positives such as durability, resistance against corrosion, robust construction, and sturdiness. Along with this, they can be made available in different sizes, shapes, and colors, suited to the divergent demands of clients. So the students here, all students completing this question should know, as we've done a module in first year, or in first semester, it was a materials model. So in this module, we studied various materials across metal, wood, plastics, and so on. And also for secondary school students, there would have been your optional subjects that would have covered it with wood and metalwork, and your technology and materials would have also been covered in science subjects as well.